Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just scroll down, you click here on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on your name and come to this to your profile here. Then you go above this sign, click on. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down. So then you click here on account settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open video here, so it's going to take a time, and you click here on advertising data, and you come to this list. You go down here, then you come here to audience insight for websites you visit. You come here to use visited websites data. You click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.